You're thinking about investing, huh? Good for you. But with 1,000,001 options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. One name that keeps popping up is Nutmeg. So, the burning question is Nutmeg actually a safe place for your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the scene. Nutmeg is what's known as a robo-advisor. Fancy term, simple concept. Basically, it's an automated platform that builds and manages investment portfolios. Think of it as having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty price tag. Sounds good, right? But is it safe? Safety in investments is like building a house. You need a strong foundation. The first floor of our safety house is regulation. Nutmeg is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. That's a big deal. It means they're under strict supervision, and your money is somewhat protected. But remember, regulation isn't a foolproof guarantee. It's like wearing a seatbelt, it reduces risk, but accidents can still happen. The next floor is diversification. This is where Nutmeg shines. They invest your money across a variety of assets like stocks, bonds, and property. It's like spreading your bets in a casino. You might not win big on every bet, but your chances of losing everything are much lower. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, risk. There's no investment without risk. Even the safest government bonds carry some risk. With Nutmeg, you can choose your risk level. It's like choosing the spice level for your curry. Mild for the cautious, extra hot for the thrill seekers. But remember, higher risk generally means higher potential returns, but also higher potential losses. Now, let's talk about fees. Nothing's free in this world, and investing is no exception. Nutmeg charges a management fee. It's like paying rent for your financial advisor. The fee varies depending on how much you invest and your chosen risk level. So, factor this into your calculations. All right, so far, so good. But what about customer service? Investments are great, but when things go wrong, you want someone to hold your hand. Nutmeg generally has decent reviews in terms of customer service. But as with any company, experiences can vary. So, is Nutmeg safe? It depends. It's safe in terms of regulation and diversification. But like any investment, it carries risk. And the fees can eat into your returns. The real question is it safe for you? Only you can decide that. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the fees. And remember, this isn't financial advice. I'm just a friendly robot sharing information. Always do your own research or consult a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy investing!